Hey guys, welcome to Obsession Car Detailing. My name is Saad, and yet again, we have another GT3 992.2. This customer has a problem in that he can't stop buying Porsches. Now, some highlights of this car. Carbon ceramics. I'm a big fan of carbon ceramics. Silver wheels, classic look. Oak green metallic. We've got the chrome trim. We've got yellow seat belts to match the carbon ceramics. We've got the bucket seats, and perhaps my favorite aspect of this car, it's manual. The owner of this car was quite reluctant to purchase a manual. He spoke to me a lot, got my advice, and I said to him, look mate, your other car is a PDK. Get the manual. This car is not a track car. It's designed to be an enjoyable street car. Speaking of manuals, the 997.2 GT3 RS is just about done. I think we just got to put it back together and do the windscreen film, then it's good to go. This car is looking stunning. A lot of work on our part here with the patterns. We really had to spend a lot of time editing the patterns and getting them spot on. Being an older car, obviously the patterns from back in 2012 don't quite match up to what we do today. And also you have to remember that the film back then wasn't as good, so you couldn't wrap the edges like you can now. We installed new stickers here. A good friend of ours, Ishmael, came and installed the stickers for us. I can install stickers, but these stickers are like $400 a side. So I was like, rather than us do it, we're not sticker installers. I got my sign writer friend to do it, since he basically installs stickers for a living. Other than that, it needs a wipe down. It's been coated. You guys have seen videos on this. It's good to go. Mateo, how you been, buddy? What do you think of this GT3? Let's spec on it.
Usually I don't like green cars, but this car honestly looks amazing. The whole spec is very nice, and I think this car is very cool. It's basically a GT3 without the aero kit and have more like classic look, so I like it a lot.
Do you prefer this one or the GT3 RS that we're doing, the 997?
No, the GT3 RS, because it's a historic car. It's very classic, but this one is gonna be a classic for sure.
For sure. Thanks, Mateo. Next up, we've got this awesome 911 Targa. Now, this car, I believe, was an ex-demo. It's very slightly used. The owner bought it from Melbourne. Unfortunately, it's got a ceramic coating on there, so we have to spend a lot of time stripping that off. Awesome spec on this one. We've got the gold wheels. We've got the Cohiba brown interior with the Pepita inserts. It's a DCT, obviously, or PDK, sorry, obviously. What model is it? It's a Targa. Oh, it's a Targa 4, so it's the all-wheel drive version. Actually, I don't think we've done a Targa before. We've done plenty of cabriolets, but this is the first Targa. Going to be interesting to do this one, so stay tuned to watch this one. Now let's catch up with Kai and see what he's up to. How are you, buddy?
Not too bad. Just hanging out.
You're using the rotary today. I feel that you're getting comfortable with it and you're enjoying it. Tell me about it.
Look, I was scared to hone in and start using a rotary at first, but after looking at a little bit of stuff online and then trying it out myself and learning the do's and don'ts of a rotary, it's become a very crucial tool in my toolset now.
This car was hammered when it came in. Why do you think it was so bad? It was really bad, wasn't it?
Well, 2017 Golf R, 154,000 Ks. Water spotted all over, all on the top edges and stuff, so used a little bit of the UV heat lamp to bring those up to the surface and then cut them out. Checked it again with the heat to make sure they weren't coming back. Sweet. 154,000 Ks, 8 years of this car, most likely out in the sun, not around in a garage or anything. It's been someone's daily, and now we're undergoing our lovely rejuvenation process, and the car's gonna look fantastic after it's done.
Yeah, Mikey spent a lot of time on the interior yesterday. I think he's going to do some more on it tomorrow. I posted a human fart juice, as I called it. So guys, please clean your interiors, because that was just disgusting.
Look, it happens over time, and you grow accustomed to a little bit there. Same thing with smell. If you leave your house for like 3-4 weeks and come back to it, it smells like it did when you first moved in, and you're like, oh wow, I remember what that smelled like. It's because you get used to things over time, and you know, little by little, it's gonna happen. You're around it every day, so
I suppose that shows the importance of regular detailing and maintenance on a car. I'm sure the owner is going to be really happy with turnaround on this car, except for the wheels. I think the wheels definitely need a bit of love. We're getting some quotes to see how much it will be to repair those. These are quite a limited edition wheels, so I do think it's worth repairing them rather than binning them.
they just look like the normal ones, just silver instead of black. Sorry to say it. 10 spoke, it's a split 5 spoke pattern. That's very common on most R edition Volkswagens nowadays.
Thank you very much, Kai. All right, guys, that is it for this week's weekly recap. Please, if you're not subscribed to us on YouTube, please subscribe. And until next time, stay protected.